Humans can't develop their own sunscreen in their skin, but plants can. With UV, it's a very specific, very powerful stimulus that can really shape how a plant changes its growth. We've got this master switch, this light bulb, that can change everything about a plant. If we can press the right switches, we can make a plant do things that no other force of nature can really. The work I started to do was based on understanding more and more of the benefits of UV exposure to crops and how we could exploit that to close yield gaps in agriculture, to enable farming systems to become more efficient, more profitable, more reliable, maximising land use. What we're doing at BioLumic's speaks to all of these things. We've never failed to see a potential benefit in the technology. With strawberries, we've been seeing regular replicated increases of 30 to 60%. With soybean, we've been seeing 12% gains. With lettuce, we're regularly seeing 10% gains in final yield, which is certainly enough for those in agriculture to get very excited. Callaghan's support of us as a company has been there since day one, essentially, and it's been essential to our growth. We've been working with different forms of support from Callaghan all the way through: career grants, project grants, growth grants, internship support, and that's helped us in all sorts of different ways as the company's been scaling.
So BioLumic have really maximised the support that's been on offer through Callaghan Innovation and other government agencies. They've used our growth grant funding and also the student grant funding, and this has really provided them with a great support to accelerate their R&D.
We have a lot happening with BioLumic around the world and in New Zealand at the moment. For example, we have a laboratory that's active in California, over in Spain, where we have our customer work with our first lettuce treatment that's gone into commercial reality. And we are also developing new areas of research too, focused on, for example, our work with medicinal cannabis, and Canada is one of the focal points for that work as well. Startups move at a quick pace, startups take a lot of risk. We shine UV light on plants for a few hours or days or moments, and we get these outcomes. And it may not be something that a traditional agricultural enterprise would pursue. And so, of course, we wouldn't be able to do any of these things that we're trying to do without the support of Callaghan Innovation.